everybody. Welcome to day 12 of 30 days of creating. I'm going to do another ACEO, that's artist cards, editions, and originals, because my weekend is very busy and I want to make sure that I get some creating done. So I have to work small. If you have to work small to get in your creativity, that's fine. That is fine. I'm saying it's fine. So I'm going to do a calla lily. I love calla lilies. I think they're beautiful. I'm going to be working with gouache today. And this is not the highest quality of gouache. It is from Five Below. So it may be, you know, a struggle bus type situation, but so be it. It'll be fine. All right. I guess we should get this started. All right, switching to high speed. I started with the flower here and I kept building it up. I didn't want to start with just a black background and then painting over top of it, especially when I'm trying to get those lighter colors. I know that actually makes it pop off of the paper more, but I also wanted to be able to follow the sketch that I had. And if I had painted it black, I would have covered that up completely. But I feel like by the time I get to the end, I have enough contrast going on and enough layers that it still gives that feeling of popping off of the paper. Even though these paints, they're not the highest of quality and they were a bit of a struggle to work with. Although admittedly I have not worked with gouache before, I've seen some other tutorials using this particular brand and the struggle is pretty much the same across the board of just how these paints operate. It's still good, a good practice to get used to using gouache, and even though it's not the highest quality and it doesn't blend quite as well, but still a good practice, I think. If you wait for the conditions to be just right, to be perfect, you might never actually get to do the thing. So sometimes, even if it's not perfect, you just do it. Okay, I'm gonna call this done. I was correct. That was the struggle bus. Yeah. These gouache paints, you know, they're kind of hard to work with. I'm assuming that a higher quality gouache would be easier to work with. But you know, it's okay. I'm not angry at it. And I got something created today, which was the point. So I hope you join me in this journey of creating something every day. I hope you feel inspired to create something. Yeah, do check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. My website, GinaDeLuca.net, where you can find my art and music and fluid art inspiration cards for sale. You will find my affiliate links and coupon codes in the description box as well. And if you use those codes and the links, I receive a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you get a discount, so that's cool. Also, you will find the link to our Facebook group. Go make some art, join us there, post your masterpieces, ask your questions, get some inspiration. A good time is had by most. It is the internet after all. And I think that's it for me for today. I hope you all have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.